This section examines charging. The charging system provides electrical energy for all of the electrical components on the vehicle. The main parts of the charging system include the battery, the alternator, the voltage regulator, which is usually integral to the alternator, a charge warning or indicator light, and wiring that completes the circuits. The battery provides the electrical energy for starting. Then, once the engine is running, the alternator supplies all electrical components of the vehicle. It also charges the battery to replace the energy used to start the engine. The voltage regulator prevents overcharging